Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a new folding bike that I just purchased to replace my older steel frame folding bike, and it's this one behind me, the Tern D8 Link. So this is a aluminium frame folding bike made by Tern. It is one of the higher end folding bikes on the market. I purchased it second hand and I paid 100 New Zealand dollars, which is about 70 US dollars or about 50 pounds. This bike is quite a bit different than my last bike. Some of the noticeable differences are that it's a lot lighter because it's made out of aluminium, and the seat does go up a little bit higher, which is good for me because with my last bike the seat was a little bit low. So the cool things that I like about this bike is that it is quite a lot faster, and that's because it has 8-speed gears on the back wheel, and it's got this larger cog here on the crank. So that, along with the slick tyres, means that I can travel pretty fast along cycle trails. The slick tyres that are on this bike means that it's not so easy to operate off-road. It doesn't go so well over gravel or through mud or on grass, but it is very quick on the asphalt. Yeah, heaps lighter than the other steel frame bikes that I had. It's much better for a taller rider, and some of the components on it are just a little bit nicer. So as you can see here, it's got these type of V-brakes, which are very effective at stopping the bike, and it's also got just some pretty nice components on it. It does have the grip shift, which I'm not totally crazy about, but this works pretty good. It's got 8 speeds on there, and it's really easy to fold up and put in the back of a vehicle or put on a train or on a bus. So I'll go ahead and show you how it folds up. Like most of these folding bikes, it folds here in the middle of the frame and folds in the handlebars. Makes it nice and easy to transport it. The carrier on the back is made of aluminium as well, and that is nice and light and strong. It's only rated to carry 10 kilograms, but I hope that the next time I go on any long sort of bike tour, I'm going to be carrying lightweight gear and I won't be carrying so much heavy stuff like I did last time. So that's a brief rundown on the Tern D8 folding bike, purchased second hand. Just goes to show, if you keep your eyes peeled, you may just find a bargain out there second hand. My name's Andy, you're watching Hobo Cyclist, and I'll see you in the next episode.